Because it is GoPro price, but you're getting a lot more for your money. And we have some interesting news from Yongnuo.
Oh, yes.
Yes, that well-known Chinese manufacturer.
Yongnuo.
I don't know how to pronounce it, to be honest.
I bet you don't pronounce all of it. I bet there's silent parts.
Oh, is it like Yongnuo? Let us know if you can comment somewhere. It's spelled Yongnuo. You'll know from the title if this is a video. Yongnuo. How do you pronounce it?
Yongnuo.
Anyway, they have released the YN455. Doesn't sound that exciting on its own.
Is it a light?
It's not. It's not a light. We do have a Yongnuo light that's a bit temperamental, as in it switches itself off.
Yeah, that's not great.
No, it is a Micro Four Thirds camera that's powered by Android.
Right.
Interesting.
Your own phone?
No, see,
because I've got an iPhone, so that's going to be a problem.
No, it's not. It's not an iPhone. It's not like one of those smartphone editions.
Like this is Alice camera.
Like the Alice. It's not that. This is a Micro Four Thirds camera.
Right.
That's brains are an Android operating system. So it's got a Snapdragon processor in it.
It sounds like it's attaches to some kind of phone, but they've made it not a phone.
Kind of, yeah. So it's a Micro Four Thirds camera that's got a 5-inch touchscreen on the back that looks like the Android operating system.
Right. Can you do online shopping with it?
I mean, you can probably hack it to do that
just
as well.
Just looking at the features.
Okay, just the added features. Its main feature is as a camera and video, photo and video camera, 20 megapixel for a Micro Four Thirds sensor, which is quite exciting.
I'm interested.
Yeah.
Tell me more.
That massive 5-inch tilting touchscreen with the Android operating system on it.
Yeah.
You can stream from the Android attached 4G network, so you could stream your videos from the camera essentially, and of course can use any interchangeable lens from the Micro Four Thirds system, so hundreds of lenses to choose from.
This sounds like a bum bag camera, a fanny pack. It's for the fanny pack.
Do you know
it's a fanny camera? Just
to
abbreviate it further,
have released the fanny camera.
Fanny cam.
Do you know it'll be perfect for fannies as well, because it's super lightweight, super thin.
Yeah.
I think it weighs like 400 grams. It's tiny.
It's the camera you take on holiday.
It is. And you can even use it without a lens attached as well if you want.
Right. What about all the dust and everything? That's going to...
It's got a separate front-facing camera that's 8 megapixels.
That makes more sense.
So you don't have to...
Automatically, I was like, and focus?
Yeah, no.
So it's got...
2 cameras.
It looks like a mobile phone.
Yeah.
It takes pictures like a mobile phone.
Yeah.
But it can also be a camera and you can put your lenses on it.
Yeah, and take good pictures and... I mean, we haven't seen any images from what it's captured yet or got hands-on. So it's yet to be seen how good it actually is. But here's the thing that's interesting about it that I know will excite you.
Okay.
$600.
£600.
£430.
Oh, they can do exchange rates.
They figured it out because they don't make it in America.
That's cheap.
That's really cheap. That's like
now
GoPro cheap.
Now I want to go out and buy a fanny pack.
You want the fanny camera?
Yeah. The fanny camera in the fanny pack.
Yes.
Double fanny. Which is always a good thing.
Pete and his double fanny.
So how did we pronounce it? The
Yongnuo YN455 Android-based Micro Four Thirds camera.
Could be good.
It could, at that price.
I'm intrigued.
Yeah, because it is GoPro price, but you're getting a lot more for your money than a GoPro. You're getting an actual interchangeable lens camera.
Yeah, you can proper go crazy with it.
Yeah, you can't
strap
go
it onto stuff.
Well, I mean,
can you self-shoot with it?
It hasn't got a front-facing screen. It's only rear articulating, like the old Sony's.
Stuff on that bit.
Yeah.
Has it got an external microphone?
I don't know, actually. That's not been released.
Was it vloggy or not? That's all I was
probably. It's definitely aimed at that market at that price.
Yeah, I was going to say it's so cheap.
What else can you get for that money?
Pretty decent quality as well.
Yeah. 4K 30, 20 megapixel sensor. It's probably going to be really good.
That's an interesting camera, AJ. I like that you've brought something different to the table.
Thanks very much. I'm an interesting person.
Welcome back.
Welcome back
to the listeners.
So is that a buy or not buy from Pete's?
I quite possibly would. Only because I say I would. I want to see it. I want to play with it. I want to see the footage. And I might let someone else take the risk first. Only because, and I shouldn't take this as a crossover, but the light we had, which is by
Yongnuo. Yeah.
The light just turns off all the time. And that is so annoying. You can't use it because it ends up just wrecking what you're trying to film.
And you wouldn't want that for a camera. The auto switch off feature.
So, reliability,
Yeah, that's going to be a problem.
I want to see someone else's footage with it first.
And let's be frank.
Or Pete.
Okay, yeah, let's Pete.
Put yourself in my shoes.
I know you like a bargain.
I do.
And I know £400 for a camera is like, a new camera for you is like, that's got me interested.
I'm interested because I want to support them for understanding the exchange rate and not charging us the same headline price as it would be in dollars.
But for that price point, reliability and build quality, there's going to be some corners cut.
There has to be. Yeah. It's gonna feel a little bit light.
Yes.
I'm not going to enjoy the external feel.
No, it's going to be plasticky.
A little bit ting ting.
Yeah. A bit like a tripod that's coming up later in the show.
But they could prove me wrong by sending it to me, Yongnuo.
So Yongnuo, if you're listening, we're willing to test your camera for free.
And forgive you entirely for the dodgy light that we bought.
That's true. It
All
was
you
dodgy.
have to do for that forgiveness is send us your new camera. I'll test it. If I like it, I'll keep it.
Wow, that's really generous.
And I'll do a review on it. And I'll probably include it in the cinematic organisation of camera know-how
Wow.
budget range.